The very end of our addition is the master bath, a big room, and the basic layout is a double vanity in this corner with a tub against that wall, a toilet closet right here, and then a curbless shower in here. And the entire space is going to be waterproof. We've got a beautiful mosaic tile on the floor, but Pauline, you've got a different treatment for us for the walls and the ceiling as well. What do you guys call it?
Tadelakt.
Tadelakt? I've never even heard of it. What is it?
Yeah. So it is an ancient limestone that Moroccans used to completely waterproof surfaces.
Okay. So this has been around for a while.
Exactly, and it's just being brought back now in kind of a modern usage.
So what do you love about it? Like, why are we using it in here?
I think my favorite is that you can go all up on the ceiling, the walls, entirely encompass a room. So you don't have seam lines with tiles. Also, it's mildew and mold resistant.
Right.
So that's obviously a huge benefit in bathrooms.
So will you actually show us the steps?
Of course. So your tile guy set us up great with this. He did the cement backer board and the waterproof underlayment.
Gotcha.
So then we come in with the thin set. And all we're doing is we're applying it on, and then we're doing horizontal grooves.
Gotcha.
On the whole thing, right?
So at this point, this is sort of what we would normally do if we were putting traditional tile up over this.
Exactly.
And you were kind enough to actually give us walls in different states of completion. So that would get set up, and then from here you'd move to the first coat of your specialty?
Exactly. So this is the first of the 2 base coats. You apply it with a trowel. And we've already applied 1 coat here to show you, but I'm gonna just walk you through how you'd put it on. So you put it on, and then you're gonna smooth it out for each coat. You put it on, smooth it out. And it starts out rough, and then as you go along, each coat successively gets more and more compressed. And you use a specific angle with the trowel to really push it in.
Is compression part of the magic here? That you trying to press that in there and get it nice and solid?
Absolutely. Like, that's the most important part, because if it's not compressed, then it's not going to be water insoluble. So after you finish that coat, it's really important when it's almost 100% dry over here, you're going to take a float, right, a sponge float, and then while it's pretty dry, you can go over it. And if it's scratching too much, it is not dry enough. So you go over that, and then you're ready for the second coat.
So out here in the room, different treatment, but is this 1 coat or 2 base coats?
This already has the 2 base coats on it.
Gotcha. So now we're ready for the
Tadelakt.
Tadelakt. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so you're gonna scoop it out. You put it on with trowels, just like the other one, right? And you're gonna smooth it on. So put it on, smooth it off. And it doesn't, you can go any which way. Right?
How long are you going to be in this room? For like a week?
It's very tedious, and there's more than just me. So this is the final step down here, the olive oil soap. So we've already done the 2 successive coats of the Tadelakt.
Yeah.
We have a tight, smooth, clean surface.
That is the smoothest surface yet. Okay.
And then after you mix the olive oil soap with the water, you're gonna put on a minimal amount onto the wall, right?
Oh boy, look at that.
Yeah. And you want to roll it really thinly, but make sure you have solid coverage. You don't want any drips, because all of those could have variation in the color that you don't want.
Look at the variations coming out though.
Exactly. We don't want these, say, drips coming down. So after you're done rolling it, you can go in with the float.
More compression.
Yeah, exactly. And make sure it's all smoothed out.
Right.
And then when it's entirely dry, then you can buff it.
It's a very sort of modeled look. You know, we've got the different layers, the different textures, as if the entire room is stone, something you'd expect from an old world bath or spa.
Exactly.
Oh, it's really cool. Looks like you and your crew have got some more burnishing to do.
We
so
have plenty more.
I'll leave you to it. Thank you, Pauline.
All right, thanks so much.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.